Hey everyone, my name is Bria Wimberly. I'm an environmental educator over at the Discovery Center located in Philadelphia. Now, one of my favorite birds has to be a barn owl, and I'll tell you why. So barn owls, usually when they mate for life. They're considered one of the few monogamous birds located in Philadelphia. They have beautiful colors with white, dark brown speckles, and a little orange on the feathers as well. Since they are an owl, they're able to triangulate, so one ear hole is slightly lower than the other one, and that helps them listen to prey on the ground. So when they're hunting and they can't see the prey, they can still hear it and catch it. And my last reason why I love barn owls is because of the noise that they make. So usually owls, they hoot. But barn owls, they shriek for about 2 seconds. Would you like to learn more about barn owls, or birds in general? If so, check out our Audubon website, Audubon for Kids, at this link at the top. On this website, you can check out all the different activities we have for kids and the different topics that are kid-friendly. For this week, we are exploring owls, featuring one of our amazing owls we have at the John James Audubon Center location. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, keep flying high.